Alright, it's day 14. I have just replaced the centre console. Dead easy. Take this cover off, 2 screws here, 2 screws there. Get the handbrake back on properly. There we go. Sorted. Alright, I think we're on day 14. And I've removed the exhaust. You can probably tell why. Massive hole there, and also around where the bracket is there. It's been a fun job to remove. What we're going to do now, what we always do. That was actually pretty boring. I thought it might be louder than that. Oh well, let's get a new one on. Alright, so one shiny exhaust fitted. I don't know if you can see that, but that plate is really low. Anyway, back to the exhaust. Nice and tidy under here. No major rust that I could find. I'd give you a quick talk through on how to do a Transit Connect long wheelbase exhaust. It's probably the same for the short wheelbase Transit Connect, just a shorter exhaust. But simply, you've got 2 bolts, one there, that go onto your downpipe up there, a hanger here, a hanger there, and then a hanger right at the end. Now these bolts I had to grind and drill and pretty much do everything I could possibly do to get the damn things out, because they was pretty much damn impossible. They'd been rounded off, and not even the Irwin bolt grips would get them off. So I ended up getting an angle grinder and slicing off both ends of the bolts, and then slicing off here, and then hammering the fuck out of it to get them to come out. Other issues, these rubbers, where the exhaust was so rusty, had rusted up completely, so that one wouldn't come out. That one certainly wouldn't come out, and the back one come out reasonably easy. But I just got the angle grinder and sliced through them, took the exhaust off, and then dealt with it later. Anyway, that's my experience of doing a Transit Connect exhaust. It's been a fun day. Like and subscribe.